Ruling party in India has introduced a bill in Parliament to regulate the appointment, conditions of service and the term of office of Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners.
Right, the bill is likely to trigger a fresh tussle now between the executive and the judiciary, since it has some controversial portions. The bill, titled the Chief Election Commissioner and Other Election Commissioners Bill 2023, proposes that the members of the Election Commission of India will be selected by a committee comprising of the Prime Minister, the Leader of Opposition in the lower house, and a Union Cabinet Minister nominated by the Prime Minister himself. Now, it excludes the Chief Justice of India from the committee.
Now, the controversial portion is that it replaces the Chief Justice of India with the Prime Minister's nominee. So currently, the Law Minister suggests a pool of suitable candidates to the Prime Minister for consideration. The President then makes the appointment of Chief Election Commissioner on the advice of the Prime Minister. But as per the bill, the process will be different now. A search committee headed by the Cabinet Secretary and two other members not below the rank of Secretary to the government who have an experience in the matters related to elections. The committee will prepare a panel of 5 persons who can be considered for appointment. Then, as per the bill, the selection committee consisting of the Prime Minister, the Leader of the Opposition in the lower house and a Union Cabinet Minister nominated by the Prime Minister will appoint the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners.
But why is the bill now being presented in the Parliament? Now, in March, a 5-judge bench of the Supreme Court issued a landmark judgment that appointment of election commissioners of India must be made on the advice of a committee that would have the Prime Minister, the Leader of the Opposition and the Chief Justice of India as its members. But as we see that the CJI is not in admission here, the court had said that this arrangement will continue until Parliament enacts a law on the appointment process, and that is now what we're seeing.
Right, in its ruling, the Supreme Court said that the poll panel has to be aloof from all kinds of subjugation from the executive branch. Several opposition leaders allege the proposed bill dilutes the order passed by the Constitution bench. They say that the composition of the selection committee in the bill raises concerns on whether the process is independent or still rigged in favor of the executive branch. The opposition claims the leader representing would be outvoted before the process even begins.
Right.
ये अविश्वास प्रस्ताव हमारी मजबूरी है। ये हमारी मजबूरी है कि हम अविश्वास प्रस्ताव हमें लाना पड़ा।